What if I told you our galaxy is on a collision course with another? Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered, what's really out there? Those tiny dots of light, those stars, those distant worlds, they tell a story billions of years old. Among them, there's something truly special. A faint, hazy glow that you can see on a clear night, the Andromeda Galaxy. It may look small from here on Earth, but it's actually the largest galaxy near us, and it's on a slow-motion collision course with our own Milky Way. Yes, you heard that right. Our entire galaxy, everything we've ever known, is heading toward another galaxy, and one day, they will become one. This is the story of the Andromeda Galaxy, its journey through the cosmos, and what will happen when it finally collides with the Milky Way. What is the Andromeda Galaxy? The Andromeda Galaxy, also known as Messier 31 or simply M31, is a massive spiral galaxy, just like our Milky Way. It's about 2.5 million light-years away from us, which means the light we see from it tonight actually left Andromeda 2.5 million years ago, around the time early humans first appeared on Earth. Andromeda is huge, much larger than our Milky Way. It's home to over 1 trillion stars, more than twice as many as in our own galaxy. It also contains vast clouds of gas and dust, the raw material from which new stars are born. If you could travel there, which of course we can't yet, you'd see billions of star systems, massive star clusters, and mysterious dark regions where light can barely escape. Astronomers call it our galactic twin. Because in many ways, Andromeda looks like what the Milky Way would look like if we could step outside it and see it from far away. Andromeda sits in the constellation of Andromeda, named after a princess from ancient Greek mythology. It's visible to the naked eye under very dark skies, and if you point a telescope at it, you'll see its bright center and beautiful spiral arms stretching for hundreds of thousands of light years. Now, here's the fascinating part. The Andromeda Galaxy is moving toward us. For a long time, scientists didn't know whether it was moving closer or farther away. But in the early 20th century, astronomers measured its light and found something shocking. The light from Andromeda is blue-shifted. That means it's coming closer, not moving away. Almost every other galaxy in the universe is drifting farther from us because the universe itself is expanding. But Andromeda is one of the few exceptions. Why? Because gravity between the Milky Way and Andromeda is strong enough to pull them toward each other, overcoming the general expansion of space. Andromeda is rushing toward us at an incredible speed, around 400,000 kilometers per hour, or 110 kilometers every second. Even at that unimaginable speed, the collision won't happen for another 4 to 5 billion years. But on cosmic timescales, that's actually soon. So, what will it look like when they finally meet? Will it be a fiery crash? Explosions? Stars smashing like bumper cars? Nope. Galaxies are mostly empty space. Even though they have billions of stars, the distance between them is so huge that most stars will simply pass right by each other, like 2 giant flocks of birds flying through one another. But their gravity will mess things up in style. Their shapes will stretch and twist, stars will move into new orbits, and glowing streams of gas and dust will swirl like fireworks in slow motion. Eventually, both galaxies will merge into one giant new galaxy. Astronomers already have a cute nickname for it: Milkomeda. It won't happen overnight. It'll take a few rounds of dancing. They'll approach, swing past each other, come back again, and finally settle into one big, smooth shape. At the heart of each galaxy is a supermassive black hole, one in the Milky Way and one in Andromeda. During the collision, these 2 black holes will slowly move toward each other. Eventually, they will merge into one enormous black hole in the center of the new galaxy. After many millions of years, the chaos will settle. The 2 galaxies will become one, a single, much larger, rounder galaxy that scientists already call Milkomeda. From a planet that survives this event, the night sky would be breathtaking. Instead of a narrow Milky Way band, the sky would be filled with billions of stars, shining brighter than ever before. So yes, our galaxy will one day end. But in doing so, it will also create something new and beautiful. a fresh chapter in the story of the universe. So what happens to us, to Earth, to the Sun, and to our solar system during this great collision? By the time this happens, about 4 to 5 billion years from now, the Sun will be near the end of its life. It will begin to expand, becoming a red giant star. Its outer layers will grow larger and hotter, eventually engulfing Mercury and Venus, and maybe even Earth. If Earth survives physically, it won't be the same. Its oceans will have boiled away, the atmosphere will be gone, and the surface will be scorched. Life, as we know it, will be long gone. However, our solar system might survive the galactic collision itself. While some stars will be flung into deep space, others will be pulled into new orbits. It's possible our Sun could drift farther out, or even become part of the outer edges of the new Milkomeda Galaxy. So, while the Earth won't exist anymore, the Sun, or what's left of it, might still shine faintly in a brand new galaxy billions of years from now. Has this ever happened before? Galaxies bump into each other all the time in the universe. One famous example is the Andromeda Galaxies, two galaxies that started colliding about 600 million years ago. If you look at their picture through a telescope, you'll see long, glowing antenna shapes made of stars and gas pulled out by gravity. And guess what? They're still merging today, slowly blending into one big, beautiful galaxy. So what's happening to us isn't rare at all. It's just our turn coming up. Will life exist after the collision? This is one of the most exciting questions. While Earth and the current solar system may not survive, life could begin again elsewhere. During the merger, new stars will form from the collapsing gas clouds. Around these new stars, planets may also form, some of them in perfect conditions for life. If the universe has taught us anything, it's that life finds a way. From tiny microbes on Earth's ocean floor to intelligent beings like us, life has a powerful tendency to adapt and evolve. So, even though our time might pass, life in some new form could one day look up at their night sky, inside Milkomeda, and wonder about their origins, just as we do now. It's possible that future civilizations will exist among the stars born from the ashes of the Milky Way and Andromeda. They may study their history and realize they come from two ancient galaxies that once collided to create their home. This upcoming collision reminds us of something profound. The universe is not static. It's constantly changing, evolving, reshaping itself across billions of years. Stars are born, they shine, and eventually die. Galaxies collide and merge, new worlds form, and life, wherever it exists, rises, evolves, and fades, only to begin again elsewhere. The Milky Way and Andromeda collision is not a destructive end. It's a beautiful rebirth on a cosmic scale. It's the universe's way of recycling itself, creating something new from something old. When we think of this, our human worries feel small compared to the vastness of space. We're part of an enormous, ever-changing story, one that began long before us and will continue long after we're gone. So, the next time you look up at the night sky, remember this. One of those faint stars you see might belong to the Andromeda Galaxy, a galaxy slowly coming toward us. In billions of years, it will merge with ours to form a new home for the stars. We won't be here to see it. But maybe, somewhere in that distant future, new beings will look up and wonder about us. Because in the end, we're all part of the same story. A story written not in words, but in the light of the stars. For more science facts and podcast summaries, subscribe now.